Need to remove an unwanted page from your funnel? In this video, I'll show you how to delete a funnel step in System.io quickly and safely. Step 1. Log into your System.io account and click on Funnels from the main dashboard. Open the funnel that contains the step you want to delete. Step 2. In the left-hand panel, find the funnel step you no longer need, such as an old landing page or thank you page. Double-check that it's the correct step before deleting it. Step 3. Click the three-dot menu next to the funnel step or look for the Delete option in the step settings. Select Delete when prompted. Step 4. A confirmation message may appear asking if you're sure you want to remove the step. Confirm the action, and System.io will permanently delete that funnel step from your funnel. Step 5. Review your funnel to make sure the remaining steps are in the correct order and that any navigation or links still work as expected. And that's it! You've successfully deleted a funnel step in System.io. If you want to build professional funnels and automate your business, try System.io. Link in the description below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Funnel Growth Lab, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new tutorial.